Hey guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video guys. Yes guys, in this video I'm going to explain you the complete procedure to get SID. Well guys, I have already prepared a video on the SID, what documents are required and how you can apply for that you can watch out on the I button. But here I had my appointment into Goa last month into April, and what experience I had over there and what documents they were checking and what are the step-by-step procedure they follow up and how your SID application gets approved. And even guys, I saw so many of people, their SID application were getting rejected, and what are those things which you need to take care and what are those things which you have to keep it into your mind when you're going for a SID appointment. So guys, I had my appointment into Goa on 8th of April, and basically when I went to the office there were already huge line, and I had my appointment 10 o'clock in the morning. So I reached to the office before 10 minutes and there were already a huge line. Huge line means there were around 50 people in that slot. So there is a slot, means 10 to 11 o'clock, those people they book the appointment and they will go there for their SID application. Alright, so guys, we were standing into the line and then there were two steps we have to follow. Means on the first step the documents will get checked, and there are two people who are sitting out over there and they are checking your documents. That I will tell you what they were checking. And the second step were there were two person who were sitting on the computer counters and they were taking your pictures, they were taking your signature, and they were verifying your all the complete details which is available on DD shipping. Alright, so that's how it goes. So on the first step when I went for the first counter, so there they were checking your documents and they were asking just of three documents: Indian CDC, passport and your application, and the fourth thing, your acknowledgement number, which is your basically a payment number. All right, so these are the four things were required over there. And then they were checking your documents. So what documents they were checking is whatever is mentioned on your application, like suppose your place of birth, your date of birth, your name, everything which is mentioned on an application that has to match with your passport. All right, so Indian CDC, they were not paying us so much of attention on it. Maybe it depends office to office, but they were just checking Indian CDC, your name and your place of birth and your date of birth. And in the passport as well, they were checking the same thing: your place of birth, your date of birth and your name. So if guys these 3 to 4 things are correct into your passport, CDC and application, so you won't face any problem. But guys, there were so many of people who got rejected for this application because some of them the name wasn't matching. There was a problem of a middle name, and some of them their date of birth wasn't matching. So guys, these things you have to pay attention on. If these 4 things are correct, then definitely your SID application will get accepted. All right, so that's how it went. And then they will keep your Indian CDC and passport, your application, and then there is another person who is doing an entry on their book, and then you go and you stand again into the queue. All right, to get your photograph and your signature done and to verify your all the application. All right, so guys, then there is the second step. You go to the second counter. Basically they will call up your name and then you will go there, and basically they will just check up your, again the same thing, they will check up your passport and Indian CDC, and they will take a scan of it. So they have to scan your passport and Indian CDC and they have to upload it into your profile, and that's how that basically application begins. All right, and then you will sitting out over there in front of that person, and then he will take your picture and you have to sign it. And then he will show you, means like how the Aadhaar card things works. Like there are 2 displays. Basically he's working out over here, and the other side where you're sitting, there is a same image is getting reflect on that display. All right, so you see whatever he is doing, and he will tell you to verify all the information, your name, everything. All right, so that's how it goes basically. And then he will take your picture, your signature, and you are done. That's all. Means there are no biometrics are taken, nothing is taken there. And then guys, here your application is approved from the office, then that application goes to a DD shipping, and there as well it has to get verified now again. Basically I will show you, maybe means I have taken a screenshot of it, because when my application was approved in the SID office, then I came up to my room basically, and then in the evening I was checking what is the status of my SID. So it was showing it is still under a process and the verification of some DD shipping offices as well. I think they go and check up that application, maybe, I don't know, but yes, it was under process again there. Then after 2 days I saw that I got the mail basically from a DD shipping that yes, my SID has been approved, and basically it is sent for a printing, and still it is showing under printing. All right, I will just show you over here on the screen how that application status shows basically. So that's how the things are going, but still I am able to check my SID number. My SID number is already been generated, and you can also check it up into your the BSID. Basically you have to log in over there, and then you can check up into your SID checker. You get there and you put your SID number there, and the complete details what is going to be printed on the SID that you know already, it means it is going to reflect on the screen. So that's how the things goes of SID over there, and this is the complete step basically which I went through. And I hope guys you got the complete information about SID, what exactly happens into the SID office. All right, so this is what I wanted to explain you guys, this is what I wanted to share with you long before only, but as I wasn't getting a time, and then I was COVID positive as well, and then I've been receiving messages basically on Instagram, so I thought why don't I share it, maybe it is going to help you out what documents are required over there. And apart from that, they were not asking for any document. And guys, if you have applied for a passport and you do not holding a passport basically at the moment, your application will be rejected on the spot. You require a valid passport, it is compulsory, because there were some people who had come into a BSID office basically for application, and he had applied for the passport and he was holding his old passport, so application was rejected because you have to have a passport, because they have to scan it and they have to upload it into the system. All right, so if you have applied for it, no, it won't be accepted. And even if you have applied for a Indian CDC, and even though if you have got your Indian CDC number, it will be rejected. You have to hold your Indian CDC and passport valid for at least 6 months in your hand. All right, so I hope guys the information provided by me was helpful, and if anything, please make sure you hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button as well, and make sure you hit the bell icon as well, so whenever I upload more informative videos, you get notified automatically. Till then, take care, bye bye.